To the river, to the river we go. Leave our worries on the shore and drift away. On the river we know. Sometimes the perfect words are never said. I spilled my coffee, I don't feel like talking. My worries just keep growing by the day. I need a moment where the green and blue appear, to spin a rock and watch the ricochet. To the river we go. Leave our worries on the shore and drift away. On the river we know. Sometimes the perfect words are left unsaid. You could change your mind when you're intertwined with the water and the waves. As I grow older, well, that boat I'll never sail. It works better than the pills the doctor gave. And with that old fishing pole, I still catch 'em by the bucketful. The kids are helping on the grill and sneak a taste. To the river we go. Leave our worries on the shore and drift away. On the river we know. Sometimes the perfect words are never said. You could change your mind when you're intertwined with the water and the waves. I hope you find this place before you end your days. And if you see me out there, wave hello.
Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hill's Workshop. Today we're in the garage here working on the John Deere L110. This is my oldest daughter and this is her mower. She's been helping me mow and we're doing some maintenance on it. We've already replaced the seat and we're getting ready to replace the spindles and an idler bearing. And if the maintenance kit we ordered from John Deere comes in today, we'll also change the oil, replace the air filter, and put a new spark plug in it. So we've got a good bit of work ahead of us. You excited? Do you like your new mower seat?
Mm-hmm. Why not?
Hopefully, we're wanting to replace the grill as well, or the grill and the hood. When it was given to us, it was already broken like this. I found one online used in my area, but the guy's not responding. So if anybody lives anywhere near Central Kentucky and has a John Deere hood, I think there's several of them that'll fit this. This is the L110, but I think there's a GX110, a L100, several of them that have the louvers on the top side and then the grill right there. So if anybody's around and has one that they want to get rid of, just send me a message. You can find my email on the contact me on my website or in the more info on my YouTube page. Here, you get to work.
Mama's cooking in the kitchen and our stomachs have eyes. We take a seat at the table as the sun splits through the open blinds. And Dolly's barking from the front yard and she wants to come inside. Yeah, I got a sweet suspicion that these are good times, and that our sunrise will come, and that our goodbyes are never gone, never gone, never gone. Say yeah. Feel that rhythm, let your mind let go, picking up on the subtle signals of your sight. The self is disconnected, all the things we have perfected. When the wind changed with all its might, I think we better learn sometime. I think we better learn sometime. Now we're walking through the courtyard.
If you're going to take the time to replace the spindles on your mower, make sure to get the ones with greasable fittings. The factory ones have no way to grease them, so they are designed to fail. Whereas with this, as long as you keep it clean, keep it greased, it should last a whole lot longer, if not, for the life of the mower.
And that our sunrise is still gonna come, and that our goodbyes are never gone, never gone, never gone. Say yeah. Feel that rhythm, let your mind let go, picking up on the subtle signals of your sight. The self is disconnected, all the things we have perfected. When the wind changed with all its might, I think we better learn sometime. Oh yeah, I think we better learn sometime. Do you see that wall now?
Alright, start it up and back it out.
Go ahead and knock it down. And do you see my face, love? I'll always be around. I feel that rhythm, let your mind let go, picking up on the subtle signals of your sight. Self is disconnected, all the things we have perfected. When the wind changed with all its might, we better learn. Feel that rhythm, let your mind let go, picking up on the subtle signals of your sight. The self is disconnected, all the things we have perfected. When the wind changed